Alright, I'm just documenting this dumbass bird. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Come on, bird. Go outside. Fuck. This window is fucking open, you fucker. Alright, I gotta flush this bird out. It's in there, Buckley.
Where is it? Where
It's
is
in
it?
there, Buckley.
Is it in there?
Yeah. Look. You fucking bird, go outside. Ah! It has sharp bird-like talons. That will kill you. Go out there, yes! Bird extraction complete, Buckley. You did it. It was all you, Buckley. Alright, let's close this before it comes back. Oh. Buckley. Bird extraction complete, Buckley. Don't freak out too much. Just chill. Alright, Buckley, that's a job well done.
What?
That's a job well done. Stop it. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Oh my god. All right.